Hi there, Hard Hat Holly with your challenge for today, day 6. Our challenge for today is for you to look at your own resources financially and see what you have in the way of money that you could use towards fixing and flipping houses. So I want you to just take a look at, it's obviously what's in your bank account, you probably know that, but do you have home equity? Maybe go check out Zillow and Redfin and see what your home is worth on there if you own a home. Figure out how much you owe left on it and see what your home equity is in there. You might have an opportunity to borrow out on a home equity line some money that you could use for fixing and flipping. Additionally, you can look at your retirement accounts. If you're still working for your employer, you usually cannot use those to do what's called self-directed investing, which is what real estate is. But if you have any retirement accounts from prior employers that you're no longer employed with, you can generally put that into a self-directed retirement account and use that for fixing and flipping homes. Or maybe you lend it to someone else for doing that. Anyway, just take a snapshot, take a look at what you've got in the way of finances and capital that you could use to fix and flip houses. With that, that's the end of today's challenge. Tune in for tomorrow's challenge and make sure you go sign up for our masterclass at hardhatholly.com/flip. We're going to have 3 of them starting next week.